Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic: 6 essential vitamins that naturally heal nerve damage. If you're looking for simple yet powerful ways to boost your nerve health, you've come to the right place. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join us in spreading these life-changing health tips. Nerve damage can significantly impact your quality of life, causing pain, numbness, or even a loss of sensation. It can stem from injuries, inflammation, or underlying health conditions. Neurologists play a crucial role in treating these conditions, but here's something you might not know. Certain vitamins can naturally support nerve repair and recovery. Curious to find out how? Let's dive in and explore the science behind it. Vitamin B complex. The first on our list is the vitamin B complex, which includes B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B6, pyridoxine, and B12, cobalamin. These vitamins are critical for maintaining the integrity of the myelin sheath, a protective layer that surrounds and insulates nerve fibers. A healthy myelin sheath is essential for efficient nerve signal transmission and overall optimal neurological function. Vitamin D. Commonly known as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is renowned for its role in supporting bone health, but its benefits extend far beyond that. Research has shown that vitamin D plays a vital role in nerve repair and regeneration by promoting the growth of neural cells and reducing inflammation. Additionally, adequate levels of vitamin D can help prevent neurological disorders, making it a cornerstone nutrient for overall nerve health. Vitamin E. As a potent antioxidant, vitamin E plays a crucial role in protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress, a key factor in neural damage and degeneration. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, vitamin E helps preserve the integrity of nerve membranes and promotes overall neurological health. Incorporating this vitamin into your diet or supplementation routine can be an effective strategy for supporting and maintaining nerve function. Vitamin C. Widely known for its immune-boosting properties, vitamin C also plays a pivotal role in nerve health. It is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a structural protein that provides strength and stability to the connective tissues surrounding nerves. Furthermore, vitamin C's antioxidant properties help protect nerve cells from oxidative damage, supporting overall neurological integrity and function. Omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids are fundamental to the structure and function of nerve cells. Omega-3s, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, are key components of neuronal membranes, enhancing their fluidity and integrity. Additionally, omega-3s possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which help mitigate nerve inflammation and create a conducive environment for nerve repair and regeneration. Incorporating omega-3s into your diet is a critical step toward maintaining and restoring optimal neurological health. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. CoQ10 is a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in cellular energy production, particularly within the mitochondria, the energy powerhouse of nerve cells. By enhancing mitochondrial function, CoQ10 supports the energy demands of neurons and helps protect them from oxidative stress. While the body can synthesize CoQ10 naturally, levels may decline with age or certain health conditions. Supplementing through diet or high-quality supplements can provide an additional boost to support optimal nerve health and repair. These 6 essential vitamins can become your powerful allies in the journey to improving nerve health. However, remember that before making any changes to your diet or supplement regimen, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with more expert health tips from us. We'd love to hear your experiences. Share them in the comments below. We're excited to engage with our community.